In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 ways that you can make money online with the Walmart affiliate program. We're going to talk about the Walmart affiliate program and how to sign up, the best ways to promote different products, and how much money you could potentially make. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can successfully promote the Walmart affiliate program. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I've earned commissions with everything from security cameras to web hosting, soundbars, stand mixers, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already have. All right, so we're going to talk about all things Walmart and the Walmart affiliate program. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing that you need to do, obviously, is sign up. And to sign up, there's 2 ways. One, you can just Google Walmart affiliate program, or you can go over to impact.com. Impact.com is the affiliate network that works with Walmart. As you can see here, you just need to go through the process of signing up to impact.com. You'll have to first create an account with Impact, which is free, and then go ahead and sign up with Amazon. If we just take a look here, you can see a few different things. One, you can see the commission schedule or the commission payout, 4% for the largest block, 2% for sporting goods, Pyadeo and Garden, 1% for electronics, gaming, and toys, and then 0 for everything else. And so what we're going to do is we're going to focus on this area because it pays out the most. You could obviously promote these other products here, but what I recommend is stay where most of the money is. If we scroll down here, you can see actions are locked in 2 months after the end of the month they are tracked. You can see actions are invoiced on the 3rd of the month they are locked, and approved actions are paid 1 month after end of month by the lock. So you can see there's a lot of information here. You obviously want to go through and read this for yourself, but this is obviously the first step in what you need to do. After you go through and sign up and you're approved, you need to figure out what niche to get into. Any and every niche will work. You just have to figure out and understand the different angles. And we're going to show you, or I'm going to show you, the different angles with the different opportunities, the different traffic sources. And when I say traffic sources, I'm talking about YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, where you're going to go to find people. Okay. And when I say traffic, and maybe I'm not clear enough on this all the time, but traffic is where you're going to go to attract the audience. There are millions, if not billions of people hanging out on all different places. You just need to go where they are and create content that resonates where they are. So you're obviously going to create content very differently if we're looking at YouTube versus a blog. And we're going to talk about all of that right now. So now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about a few different ways that you can make money. If we jump over to YouTube, for example, I just typed in Walmart try-on haul, and believe it or not, there are hundreds of thousands of people looking for Walmart try-on hauls. Now, this is towards women, obviously. The top result, 14,000 views from 4 days ago, 17,000 views, 14,000 views, 415 views from 9 days ago. And the cool thing is with try-on hauls in general is there's sub niches. So I just clicked in and we can see Walmart try-on haul 2022, plus size, spring, swimsuit, clothing, dress, and most likely this is going to be geared towards women. For the most part, I don't know that men watch a lot of try-on hauls. We could try that. We could say men Walmart try-on haul. I don't know that men enjoy watching other men try different outfits on. Maybe there's a subsection of people that do, but let's look at this. $50 Walmart outfit challenge, try-on haul men's affordable spring fashion, 625 views from 4 months ago. $50 outfit challenge, Mighty Dave liked it so nice he did it twice, 1.4 thousand views. So there is a few people doing this. It's not as widely popular as females. Another thing that we can do is we can look at different niches. We could talk about, let's do betta fish. Like this, there are people that are asking all sorts of questions about betta fish food. We can put together a list of everything betta fish need to eat and then come back over to Walmart.com like this, and you can see that Walmart has niched out this information. So we can see here that Walmart makes it really easy. And what I recommend that you do, if you don't have a niche, first find one of these different categories that we mentioned, come back over to Walmart, click on departments or hover over departments and then click into one of these. Don't just create content here about baby. You might want to create content about baby clothes or gyms and play mats. Niche down because you'll be talking to a much smaller group of people in the beginning. Now, once you get larger and larger, you can niche up or niche out and attract a wider audience. But for me, if I'm brand new to a niche, I come over to pets, go to fish, and then within fish, you can see that they have stuff for different types of fish. And that's how I came across betta fish. And then we can go from here. And so now that we're here, we can actually just click on this individual product. For example, this superposed mini aquarium fish bowl. We can just copy this product like this. So let's just copy this first one like this and paste it right over to YouTube. Hit that and then hit enter. And people are copying and pasting the exact product name and they're looking for information about it. It looks like this exact one isn't getting a ton of views, but you can see that people are asking questions about different types of fish bowls. So we could say like best fish bowl for, look at this, best fish bowl for betta, goldfish, best fish tanks for beginners. We click on this first one here and you're going to see top 10 best fish tanks for betta fish, 13,000 views from just 6 months ago. Best betta fish tank size, 45,000 views from 1 year ago. So people are asking this question and then you can grab your affiliate link from Walmart and paste it in. So if we come back, let's find something else that people would be interested in. And the cool thing about this is people are going to be asking tons of questions about their fish. There are millions of people that are interested in information regarding their betta fish, and you can answer that question and make money. So if we come down here, let's try this one right here. And once again, we're just going to copy the product name and we're going to paste it right into YouTube. And you're going to see that people are going to be looking for information about this aquarium kit. So if we look, mini bowl desktop. So it looks like this is a kind of similar, 5.3 thousand views. If we look on the right hand side, competition is low, volume is medium, which is good. If we scroll through here, 2.9 thousand views. Now these channels are small channels. And so this shows us that this is an opportunity where we could come in here and make money. We could do something like review here. We can do unboxing. So you're just going to take it out of the box. And then you can do something like first impression like this. And then people are coming to YouTube to have these questions answered, but this is just one way that you can make money. A second way that you can make money is by starting a Facebook group for different niches. For example, I typed in or searched betta fish and I changed it to groups. The betta fish keepers, 138,000 members. Betta fish health and happiness, 29,000 members, 24,000 members. Betta keepers, 127,000 members. So you create a group around a niche or a topic, and then you can start attracting people that are also interested in this target audience. And what you can do to start is take pictures of betta fish. You can create content, whether it's an image, a blog post, a video about betta fish, and eventually, as you post consistently, more people will join your group and then you can sell to them. You can send out a link every so often talking about, the best food to eat or the best food to eat on Amazon for betta fish. And then people are going to click that link and make a purchase. And when they make a purchase, you make money. But you can see here, there are thousands of people in multiple groups. It's not just one group that has 100,000 people. There are multiple groups here about betta fish. And you could make money, but you could do this with horses. Another niche that's over on Walmart are horses. So if we come back to departments, we go to, let's do pets once again, and we can go to horses. Let's see, scroll down, horses like this. We could create a Facebook group for horses. And if we go over here, we could say a horse, of course. I think that's the saying, horse. Go down to groups. And let's see, groups once again. Horse passion. Lost one light there. I love horses. Horse lovers community. And then you could You could even pose different questions. What's the best blanket for a horse? And then you give them two options. You put your link down there and people click on the link and make a purchase, you make money. And so you can see that there is lots of opportunity. That's just the second way. The third way that you can make money is with TikTok. Now, we all know that Amazon Finds works really well on TikTok, but so does Walmart Finds. We look at this, 205,000 views from Walmart Finds, 447,000 views, 1.4 million views from Walmart Finds. And you can approach this a few different ways. We can do Walmart try-on hauls. Once again, Walmart Finds for Men is an interesting one. And you could potentially make money. 195,000 views, 11,000 views, 159,000 views for Walmart. Now, if you're going to go this route, you need to have a website. And you can get a website. I'll put a link in the description to my best #1 recommended web hosting platform for beginners. And what will happen is they're going to click on your bio. So I just clicked on Christian Leitner's bio here. I'm going to mute this. And as you can see, he's got a link tree. Now, one of the problems with Linktree is they often will go down for maintenance. They'll go down for a period of time. They are inconsistent and it's just problematic. If you have your own website, and again, I'll put a link to the web hosting platform in the description, you don't have to worry about your website going down and missing affiliate links. You can add other content. You can actually have a brand. If Linktree wanted to, they could shut down Christian's account tomorrow because they don't like what he's doing. They don't like what Christian is promoting or selling. And so if you have your own website and your own domain name, you can ensure that your website won't go down as easy. Linktree could wake up tomorrow and say they no longer want to work with TikTokers, or they're going to make all TikTokers pay a $50 fee per month. And a lot of people are going to be left without traffic and without an opportunity to make money. So I recommend that you go ahead and start a website. You can start a website and basically build out the same thing. It's relatively easy. And let me know if you guys want me to do that. If you want me to show you how to create a website like Linktree, I might do that tomorrow, in fact. How to make a website like Linktree or a web page like Linktree. It's really, really simple and it'll look better and you'll have more control over it. Anyway, off my soapbox here, you can do Walmart Finds just like this and then put a link here and then people click on the link and make a purchase. And this is actually really, really easy. You could do something like, let's do beta fish once again. Beta fish, like this. Hit enter, and you're gonna see lots of people are creating content about beta fish. You can do this with pets. Pets are huge over on TikTok. I myself get caught up in watching different pet videos from time to time, but you can see that a lot of people are looking up information about beta fish and pets on TikTok. You want to make sure you add a call to action. Hey, if you want my #1 recommended fish food for beta fish, click the link. They click the link, they buy the beta fish, and then you make money. Another way that you can make money, and I actually got this idea from another TikToker, Spencer Meacham, I believe his name is. You can type in where to find over on Twitter. For example, where to buy PS5, right? Where to buy PS5. People are still out there looking for it. And you could actually put a link and answer the question, hey, this is where you get the PS5. You can get the PS5 from Walmart. It's currently available both online and in store. And then when people click on your link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Now remember, with video games and electronics, it's only a 1% commission. So you might want to try and shoehorn this into something that's going to pay you a little bit more. So you could try something like where to buy beta fish. Beta fish, like this. And let's see if people are asking this question. Let's go to latest. And let's see, they're talking about where to buy beta fish, August 23rd of 2021. It's a little bit older video, but you can see that people are asking this question. Or you could type in something like best place to buy. And you can see people are asking this question. We're going to hit enter and we're going to look at the latest. 50 minutes ago, reasons why Miller Park is the best place to go. It's not called Miller Park anymore, by the way. Heard this is the best place to buy meat. So people are asking questions about the best place to go or the best place to buy right over on Twitter. The only drawback to Twitter is you're going to have to be on this frequently. Where's the best place to buy jewelry in Miami? Walmart has has a jewelry department, you could recommend Walmart. Probably get a lot of hate for that, but still, that is an opportunity. Like I said, the only drawback to using this method is you are going to have to spend a good amount of time on Twitter looking for different questions that people are asking. The final way that we are going to talk about today is actually with starting a blog. Yes, starting a blog in 2022 is still profitable and really powerful, especially when you combine it with a YouTube channel. But if we take a look, it says, I just searched beta fish once again, 139,000 monthly searches, 12,000 keywords, beta fish tank. How long do beta fish live? So this person is either thinking about getting a beta fish, or they've already purchased one and they need different supplies to make their fish longer. So all of these really are buyers' keywords. So if they are thinking about getting a beta fish, you could put in a list of products that they need, because they probably don't really know everything that they need just yet. And so you can make money that way. There's also a question down here about beta fish tank. You could look up something like what size fish tank do beta fish need, like that. And then you're going to see that people are asking this question about the size of the fish tank, and then that's going to be your opportunity to make money. So if we click on this website's probably an affiliate website. It's called betabox.com. What's the minimum tank size for a beta fish? If we scroll through how to care for a beta fish, that is obviously going to be ripped with affiliate opportunity. So if we look at earnings and disclosure, open this up in a new tab, but you can see that people are creating this type of content. And we're just going to control find affiliate. Yep. Below you can find our full privacy. They're an affiliate for Amazon. So you can see that this works all day, every day, and they're located in Amazon, UK. But you can see that this works. People are asking questions about literally anything and everything, and you can make money. Best beta tanks and aquariums. Once again, we can see here, if we scroll through, look at these links. These are all, this is an affiliate link right here that goes over to Amazon. I believe, actually this is an ad, but you can see that this is an affiliate link. You can see that this is what you can do all day, every day. So you can start a YouTube channel where you're asking and answering questions about a niche or a sub niche. You can create a Facebook group. You can create a TikTok account with something like best Walmart finds. You can answer questions over on Twitter, or you can even start a blog. Now that you know 5 different ways to make money with the Walmart affiliate program, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.